The AI video market in 2026 is an absolute mess. If you're a founder, marketer, or developer, choosing the wrong tool will cost you thousands of dollars and waste hundreds of hours. HeyGen and Synthesia give you floating talking heads. VEED and Pictory give you generic stock slideshows. Loom gives you raw, unedited screencasts. And tools like Supademo only give you clickable widgets that don't work on social media. In this video, we compare all 7 tools against Ngram and show you why an AI video agent completely changes how software videos are made. Let's look at why these categories break down for real businesses. First, avatar tools like HeyGen and Synthesia are great for talking heads, but they don't understand software UI or screen recordings. Second, screen recorders like Loom leave you with raw, unedited footage with dead air and awkward cursor drifts. Third, tools like VEED and Pictory force you back into manual timeline editing or give you cheesy stock video clips. And fourth, interactive demo builders like Supademo and DemoSmith work okay on websites, but they can't generate social video campaigns for Product Hunt, X, or LinkedIn. Now look at Ngram. When you sign up at ngram.com, you get 600 free starter credits right away. No credit card needed. Ngram is built around an AI video agent. Instead of keyframing zooms in Screen Studio or editing clips manually in VEED, you give Ngram a live URL, a PRD, or a raw screen capture. Ngram automatically writes the script, plans the storyboard, smooths shaky cursor paths, trims silent pauses, applies smart camera zooms onto key dashboard metrics, and burns in on-brand captions. Here is where Ngram completely destroys every competitor on this list. Tools like HeyGen, Loom, or VEED hand you a single video file. Ngram's connected product engine generates your 16:9 main product demo, a 9:16 vertical short-form clip for social media, and an editable PowerPoint slide deck from the exact same prompt. You get an entire multi-channel marketing kit built in minutes. Don't spend thousands on video agencies or get stuck paying for 4 different single-purpose tools. Head over to ngram.com, claim your 600 free starter credits, and test the full AI video agent experience today. Hit that subscribe button on at ngram_AI for weekly AI video growth playbooks.